I like how you're so soft inside, and really try to protect everyone.
I like how
Hey guys, what's up? Good evening. So yeah, alam ko na it's late, pero I miss you guys and I know I'm just gonna keep this. Hindi siya reaction video, pero tamang-tama nanonood din ako ng All Access live stream sa TFC. Anyway, gusto lang sabihin it's been 1 week of Pinoy Big Brother. And gusto lang magpasalamat. I'm just gonna keep this short and simple. It's gonna be a fast live. I just wanted to say thank you sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa PBB. Sa aming mga hosts at sa mga housemates. And yes, namimiss ko yung bahay ni Kuya, pero it's time to move forward from that. Back to hosting. And that's it. Maraming salamat. It's been the best first week. It's been the best week of PBB. Getting to know Tibianca, Kuya Robbie, Kuya Henchong, Miss Melay, Ate Melay. Alexa already know very well. Gabby also. I can't wait to get to know Ate Kim. Hindi ko pa nakakasama. I assume she's busy with her endeavors, other things. Anyway, yeah, thank you guys so much for all the love and support. I've been seeing all the reels, all the TikTok posts ng mga housemates, at sana supportan nyo sila. I'm sure namimiss nila. I'm sure nakakurious sila kung ano yung tingin ng mga tao sa kanila or what they've been doing inside sa perspective natin. Yeah, and also to answer the question kung kamusta si Ivana. Ivana's been the best. And pati ako nagulat na guest housemate lang siya. Nung nasa loob ako ng bahay ni Kuya, walang alam na guest housemate siya. So, she did a good job. She's a very nice person. And luckily, I was able to see her nung paglabas niya ng bahay ni Kuya. Nakausap ko din si Mona, very nice person also. But yeah, si Ivana, she's more than what she is sa social media. Definitely. Grabing laki ng respeto ko sa kanya. And luckily, I made a friend in her. Magka-jive kami, so that's good. Anyway, it's getting late. And also for those, kala ko, actually, can I just say, parang kala ko tapos na yung, I thought it was done. I thought all the crying will be done. Pero hindi pa pala. If you guys were watching yesterday sa online verse, grabe may padagdag na message pa si Ashley. Wow. Of course I miss her every day. But I support everyone. They're all my friends. No bias. So yeah, anyway, na-enjoy ko yung time po sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, and I hope you guys can continue to support Pinoy Big Brother. I'm sure meron na yan because it has such a big fan base anyway, pero maniwala kayo guys. It's gonna be an exciting season of Pinoy Big Brother. I was there firsthand, nakita ko from the first day. Meron yan, may lalabas at lalabas dyan. So, keep updated. If you have time, watch the live stream. And if you have the time, watch every day at 10 p.m. sa GMA. And on weekend, that's on weekdays. And for weekend, 6 p.m. naman. Yeah. Pabalik ka ba sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya? Sana. Pero okay na sila. The housemates got it. Yes. Gabby's next. I can feel it. Tinawanan niya ako sa day 1. May karma din yan. Joke lang, Gab. But yeah, I'm sure she'll enjoy it if Big 4 pick. Wala. Big 15. I appreciate each and every one of them. If all of them could win, I wish them all the best. It will be painful to see them go. To see them evicted. Dahil makikita ko sila paglabas nila ng bahay ni Kuya. But I'll be super proud of each and every one of them. Kamusta ang shower? Ang tawag sa shower, ang motto ko sa shower is, bahala na. You only have 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes shower. Shower lang. Pero yung paghugas ng mukha, toothbrush, lahat yun sa kusina. Elgo, you troll. Lol. Thank you. Maraming salamat, Karen. Very nice message. Request ko daw, Ivana. No, she's busy. She missed her. She's very family oriented. So I'm sure she's spending a lot of time with her family. Hindi siya sanay na tumayo sa pamilya. I'll be seeing Ivana soon, I believe. Anyway, that's it for tonight. I just want to say thank you. I just want to what can I say about Ashley's status? She's doing fine like everyone else. But I'm curious. Napanood ko sa live stream just 10 minutes ago na umiyak siya galing sa confession room, pero hindi pinalabas sa live stream kung ano yung nangyari. So, nakaka-curious tuloy ako. But, again, iba talaga sa confession room. Again, anyway, I just want to keep this short and sweet. Maraming salamat again. It's been week 1 of Pinoy Big Brother. Maraming salamat, everyone, for being there and supporting and for loving me. I appreciate it. I've been having the time of my life. And let's go, rock and roll. Good night, everyone. Tulog na. Start of a new week tomorrow. Good night. Good night. Love you guys.